Today we're going to talk about cleaning unwanted points or noise from scans using a polygon tool. So let's get started. First, let's make sure that we've turned off all clipping boxes. Look at any clipping boxes you have and make sure that the icon to the left is gray. Next, we'll want to save. This is just a precaution to make sure that we have backed up our work. Now let's go to a top view. Let's switch to an orthographic view by clicking the second icon from the left on the bottom toolbar. Now click on the View All magnifying glass bottom toolbar. Now let's click on Select Polygon. And let's go around the outer edges of the building, making sure you don't accidentally click and delete some of the walls. So I'm staying a pretty good distance away from the building itself, maybe a few inches to a foot. I'm now going to right click on this selection. I'm going to choose Invert. I'll right click on the new selection and choose Delete Points. Now let's go to a side view. Left, right, front, or back. Zoom out so you can see everything. Now let's click on Select Polygon. And we're going to go around the general outer edge of the building. Once I double click near where I started, it will select everything inside the polygon. Once it's selected, I'll right click and choose Selection, Invert. Once I've inverted, I'll right click and choose Selection, Delete Points. Now we can do more work, a lot closer, to get rid of more points closer to the walls as desired. But in a nutshell, that's it for cleaning using the polygon. Make sure whenever you're finished that you click Save, and in your comment type in remove noise or remove unwanted points, whatever you want to use to describe what you just did. When you click OK, be patient. Scene has to rewrite the file and may take a little while. Now that that's all finished, we can reactivate our clipping box. We can hide the ceiling. That's it for cleaning with polygons. There are other methods for cleaning using clipping boxes and other ways to use the polygon. Check back with ScanTraining.com on YouTube for those other methods. Thank you for watching.